Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. I welcome you in the English lesson of class 3. So open your books. Before starting today's lesson, let's have the recap of the previous lesson, what we did before. We were on unit number 5. In unit number 5, we did previously page 24, that was language page. In language page, we did exercise A, B and C. In the previous video, we did our language page of unit number 5. 3 exercises we have done, and today we are moving towards page number 15. Hope you can see it clearly. This is page number 25 and this is sounds page. So open your books and hold your pencils in your hands. You have to do this exercise with the help of your pencil. So let's read the question first. The question is in exercise A, make real words. What you have to do, you have to make real words. Like the half of the word is given, like you can say that the letters are given to you here, like B, S, H, Sh, B, S, H, and you have to pick up the correct number of letters from here and you have to complete the word. Okay, so I have done this exercise for you. Okay, and these are sort of long vowel sound and short vowel sounds. Hope you have read about it before, but if you haven't read about it, so when inshallah you will come to school, the teacher will tell you that what are the long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. Double O gives the sound oo. These are long vowel sound because when we call this word boot, it means that we prolong this sound and this is long vowel sound. Now double E gives the sound E. It means that it gives this prolonged sound B, E, N, bean. So these are the long vowel sounds. So this was just information apart from this exercise, but we have to complete these words. So what we did, these are the B, 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 and all B's are given in this row. So we have to complete these words. B, E, N, bean. What else we can make? B, U, T, boot. We can make this words. B, A, L, bill. Okay. Now this is short vowel sound. B, A, L, because A, I is a vowel, but it has short sound. Okay. B, R, K, bark. Bark, you must know about it. Bark kisko kehte hain? This is when the dog barks. And bail, B, A, L, bail. We connected this half word with B, so it became the full word bail. Bail is sort of bunch. जब चीज़ को आप इकट्ठा कर लेते हो, एक bunch बना लेते हो, that is sort of. Now with S, we have to make words with S. S is S, E, N. This is again long vowel sound. S, E, N. Seen. Seen means dekhna. S, U, T. Again this is long vowel sound. Okay. So how you will call it? Suit. Okay. So S-O-O-T, suit. This is also long vowel sound, and the meaning of suit is just like when something burn out and the blackish side of anything, any substance, कोई चीज़ जल जाती है, उसकी जो कालक होती है, that is called suit. Okay. अच्छा, save, S-A-V-E, save. Save, you all know that how we save money or all that. बचाना, बचत करना. Sale, S-A-L-E, sale. This is normal. In normal routine we used to hear this word sale. जिस तरह shops में आप देखते हो sale लगी होती है, that is sort of. Sat, S-A-T, sat. Sat means बैठना. ये sit की sit, sat, sat, ये उसकी second form है. Okay. अब H के साथ we have to make words. So how you will make words? H-A-T-E, hate. Hate means नफरत करना किसी के साथ. Okay. H-O-O-T, hoot. Hoot is you must have heard this word so many times before, hooting. When you make fun of someone, when you shout on someone, so that is called hoot. Have, I have a pen, you have a pen. सो हैव वो वाला हैव है जो हम कहते हैं कि मेरे पास है, आई हैव अ पेन, मेरे पास पेन है. हॉप, हॉप स्मॉल जंप्स जो लगाते हैं बच्चे, हॉपिंग जो करते हैं. हॉपिंग इज़ ऑल्सो अ गेम, यू मस्ट हैव प्लेड इट. हेल, HALE, हेल, ठीक है. H was given to you, we selected ALE from this above column. Hail means like something very healthy, जो ख़राब नहीं होती, जिसको कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचता, या फिर जो बहुत हेल्दी होता है. Also students, if you don't understand the meaning, although I'm trying my level best to tell you the meaning, even then if you don't know the meaning of anything, you need to pick up the dictionary and you need to search out the meanings of these words by your own. So this will also be your practice, how to use the dictionaries. Shoot, shoot, this is again long vowel sound, shoot. Okay, so shoot, we always used to listen that the hunter, you can say the hunter shoot the bird, you can say, or so many things. So shoot is that word. Shave, SHAVE, शेव, शेव बनाना जो होते हैं, जो आप मोस्टली मेन शेव देयर बियर्ड, सो दैट इज़ शेव. शार्प, शार्प कहते हैं बहुत तेज़ को. शॉप, शॉप दुकान को कहते हैं. एंड शार्क, वी ऑल नो दैट व्हाट इज़ शार्क. Okay, so this was the exercise I have done for you. These were the letters were given to you and you had to complete the words. So hope you people are clear about it. Now let's move towards our exercise B, that is color by sound. You need to color this exercise by the sounds, and it's gonna be the very colorful picture if you will color it perfectly as the instructions are given to you. So this is gonna be the beautiful picture. So how you will color it, now let me tell you. Okay, the sounds are given to you. Kr sound, you will find out the words kr, kr sounds, and you will color that block red. Next is tr sound. Tr sound, you will color them orange. Kl sound, hope you can see it clearly. Kl sound, you will color it yellow. Bl sound, bl sound, you will color it green. And pl sound, you will color it blue. Got it? So how you gonna do it? Crow. Where is crow? This is crow. Cream, cream. This is cream. You will color this block red. Got it? Then you will find out crow words. Where are crow? This is crow, so you will color this whole strip, you will color it according to crow sound, means red. Got it? Then true sound, let's suppose you are coloring it true sound orange, then this will also be orange, true. Then where else the true sounds words are there? Trap, you will color it also orange. Where else? So just like that. True, treat, you will color it orange. So just like that you will search the words according to these sounds, crow, tro, cl, and you will complete this picture by coloring it. So hope you will do this exercise with interest, because it's gonna be the very beautiful picture. And inshallah I'll ask you, when you people will come to school, you will show it to your teacher. So we have completed this sounds page today, and inshallah in the next video we will do the next page. So till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.